Good morning, it is the 9th of June. Just dropped the kids off at school. Another frosty cold morning, 0 degrees this morning. So just heading into Stratford now to drop the van off for its COF. Whew, looking forward to getting the heater on in the van.
Every time I look in the mirror, all these lines on my face are getting clearer. The past is gone. Need a wind by like dusk till dawn. Isn't that the way? Everybody's got their dues in life to pay.
Oh, cup of coffee complete. That was good. I needed that. Warmed me up a bit in the sun. Back to the house.
Yep.
For another cup of coffee.
Wrong box.
Wrong box. Quick battery swap and we're out of here.
My life is books, written pages. Live and learn from fools and from sages. You know it's true. And all the feelings come back to you. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laughter, sing for the tear. Sing with me, just for the day, maybe tomorrow the good Lord take it away.
Oh! Is that a GoPro?
We are back. Van has dropped off in town. Grabbed a cup of coffee on the way home at our friend's house. More importantly, we got a package in the mail from Singapore. Hopefully it is what we think it is. We'll soon see.
Moment of truth. What is it going to be?
It's from Singapore. It's got to be the GoPro returned.
Has to be.
Yeah. Oh, well, let's hope for the best. See what we got here. It's a box inside a box. Warranty replacement. It's got to be the GoPro then. It's a GoPro.
Is it brand new or is it our one?
No, it's not our one. The back's too clean.
Yeah, it is too clean. It is a new one. Yay.
Yeah. Awesome. So we'll have to...
Get that on charge so then we can do the shot for GoPro that they wanted.
Right, what is the time? It is 12:30. Had lunch on time for once. We're now going to head out over the farm and grab the bulldozer for the neighbour. He needs it bring back to the shed to do some servicing on. So while the weather is good, we'll get outside and enjoy some sunshine.
Oh, I had a lot to say. Was thinking of my time away. I missed you when things weren't the same. 'Cause everything inside, it never comes out right. And when I see you cry, I'm sorry I'm bad, I'm sorry I'm Bill. I'm sorry about all the things I said to you, and I know I can't take it back. I love how you kiss, I love all your sounds, and baby the way you make my world go round. And I just wanted to say I'm sorry. This time I think I'm to blame. It's harder to get through the days. You get older and blame turns to shame. 'Cause everything inside, it never comes out right. And when I see you cry, it makes me wanna die. I'm sorry I'm bad, I'm sorry I'm Bill. I'm sorry about all the things I said to you, and I know I can't take it back. I love how you kiss, I love all your sounds, and baby the way you make my world go round. And I just wanted to
Bit of a cool view from up here.
inside, it never comes out right. And when I see you cry, it makes me wanna die. I'm sorry I'm bad, I'm sorry I'm Bill. I'm sorry about all the things I said to you, and I know I can't take it back. I love how you kiss, I love all your sounds, and baby the way you make my world go round. And I just wanted to say I'm sorry. Every single day I think about how we came all this way, the sleepless nights and the tears you cried. It's never too late to make it right. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm sorry I'm bad, I'm sorry I'm Bill. I'm sorry about all the things I said to you, and I know I can't take it back. I love how you kiss, I love all your sounds, and baby the way you make my world go round. And I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry baby, I'm sorry baby, I'm sorry.
Well, that was good. Got the bulldozer moved. Just got back in time to go and pick the kids up from the school bus.